Hello and welcome to Andrews Today. Today I'm with Victor Khaula, an MDiv student here at the seminary, and he's telling us about Black history in a different perspective, particularly looking at Africa. Hi, Victor.
Hello.
So I know that you are from Malawi, correct?
Yes, yeah.
So can you tell me how Malawans have contributed to Black history or the advancement of Black people?
Malawi has been a country which was under British protectorate. So from 1880s to 1890s and even 1900s, we were under the British protectorate. So most of the people in Malawi, they either worked for the British and they were under that rule. So most of them had that inferiority complex where they felt like the white people were supreme and the black people were people who were the minority. So that led to many people having maybe a negative attitude towards themselves until 1964 on 6th July when Malawi became an independent nation. So we claimed our independence on 6th July 1964. That's when now people started knowing their rights and they also knew that they were important to contribute to their own nation.
What do you think are some common misconceptions of Africa and Malawi?
A lot of misconceptions that people have is that they just have a conception that they are very far away from development because of where they come from. Anything good that they may see out there, they don't attribute it to themselves. They think good things belong to those who are maybe the whites. But right now, many people are realizing that the same things that the white people can have, like lawyers or being a doctor, because previously, all the people who were taking the white-collar jobs were the white people. But right now, as I speak, most of the jobs have been taken by the black people. So people are now realizing that they have potential, they can contribute. So the country, much we have white people working over there, but they are not holding significant positions that they used to have. So we can say Malawi has realized that they have potential in themselves of developing the country instead of depending on the West, because most of the time when they were planning, they were depending on the West, which has killed development. But right now, people realize that we have potential of developing our own country.
So can you at least tell us one way that Malawi celebrates Black history?
We don't have a special month when we celebrate, but there is an encouragement that each and every Malawian, that's the reason why in Malawi we have most of the slogan like buy Malawian, support Malawian. So people, because they are used to when we have shops that are coming international, a lot of people want to go and buy from those shops instead of buying shops that are run or products that are produced in Malawi. So people are being encouraged each and every time to support businesses or trades that are opened and run by Malawians. And also even education or schools, there are schools that are run by the white people, but right now people have realized black people are opening their schools. So they are encouraged to go in those schools because by going there, we are supporting Malawians and we are also encouraging the culture. Because when they go to white people's schools, the culture that they get is not Malawian. So they become foreigners in their own country.
All right.
Yeah.
I'd like to thank you so much for sharing your story. And I'd like to thank all of you for joining us today.